So I had some missing washing machine lid screws, and amazing what worked out perfect. It's so easy. Here goes. So I had a washing machine that the metal deal was coming off here and needed some screws for it, and I just want to show you what I found out is some switch plate screws work perfect. They were just exactly the right size, and getting into these is not so easy, especially where this comes up against the, you can see you don't have much room here to get in, but what it can do is just take off the screwdriver portion, and it's just enough to get in there and tighten things up. It's got two screws that hold this in, and of course the lid is not going to stay up if those aren't in, so they're just regular traditional switch plate screws, was exactly the right size just in case you lose one of these screws. Very easy to lose these screws as they get loose. One of them can pop off and go down the clothes washer and no one even notice it. It's gone. But anyway, that's how you can replace that in a pinch if you needed to. You can also order the exact same screw online, but again, this works out just right so that the lid will latch properly, and good to go. That's a nice, quick, easy fix for that. And another nice thing is this has no sharp edges, so nothing to hurt anybody or snag clothes or whatnot. So good to go.